Hi guys, I just got my order from Dermaroller Philippines. So today guys, I just want to tell you the proper usage and the right needle cartridge for your Dermapen. So before anything else, mag-unbox muna tayo. So this is the box itself, and this is what I ordered. The first one is the 12 pins needle cartridge, and also 2 numbing cream. At dahil paubos na ang needle cartridge ko, I just got my new one. Hindi mo magagamit ang Dermapen mo kung walang ganyan sis. Anyways, kung bibili kayo na needle cartridge, make sure na it came from the same brand you are using. Mahirap na sis, baka masira lalo ang mukha mo. So for your reference guys, I have here the comparison between the generic and the original. So ganito nga pala yung itsura ng generic, or should I say the fake one. Yung packaging niya mga sis hindi ganun ka-presentable unlike sa Dermaroller Philippines. It came out na sobrang dali niyang buksan at mukhang hindi secured yung product. Ito yung full detail ng comparison between the two. Grabe yung difference nila mga B. So tignan naman natin yung performance niya with Dermapen. Dito ako natatakot mga sis. I just noticed kahit paano ko siya ipihit, hindi talaga siya nagkakasya. So I was expecting na hindi maganda yung run ng Dermapen. Parang anytime matatanggal talaga yung cartridge. I-try naman natin tong original from Dermaroller Philippines. Ito nga pala yung binili ko mga sis. Ganito dapat yung run ng needle cartridge, hindi siya magalaw or anything. Actually, this needle cartridge can lead a serious cases like permanent damage to skin, deep scars, severe acne, or worse, it can lead to skin infection. As a user of microneedling tools, I always reorder to the original source, specifically from Dermaroller Philippines. This to ensure my safety and good results. Bye guys!